Hi everybody, welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to show you how to make rustic potatoes. The humble potato, perfect for lots of things. However, leave it into its rustic form and it really tastes even nicer. So I'm going to show you how to create this into a rustic mashed potato. I've got water on the hob, slightly salted, and I'm going to pop these on there until they're just about soft, and the toothpick should go in and come back out again. But if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates and find out what I'm up to. Share with your family and friends and keep following. I'll see you in about 20 minutes after the potatoes are done. Bye for now. Welcome back everybody. So my potatoes are done. I left them in the oven for just about 10 minutes so they had a little bit of a crispy edge towards the end. So what I'm going to do, very simple, to make a rustic mash, I've got some butter, milk, salt and pepper, that's it. So I'm just going to start to break this up, and you don't need to do too much of the mashing. It's a rustic mash, so a couple of, you can hear the crunch as well, and that texture is really nice once you get going with all the other bits of your meal. So I'm just going to basically put in some butter. I'm just going to pop in that salt and pepper first, and then as I'm finishing this off, I'm just going to use a little bit of milk to just bind it all together. That's it, just a little bit of milk. No, we don't need too much of this. Yep, perfect. And that actually gives it some, eases up and breaks down the potatoes. So now all I have here is a beautiful rustic mash. See you again. Take care. Bye for now.